So I was working in the garden and I see my potato dried up. Potatoes dried up in I, they're either got infested with bug like this case, or there's not much water going into it, so the soil is dry, or both, or um, the tubers inside are already mature. So we can check this plant if it has tubers in it. And the best way to find out is if it's in a grow bag, you just pour the soil out of it. So oh, okay, I see tubers in it. I see one, two, and this small thing, three, and little tubers. I'm not sure if, so you can see this is the original eye where the potato came from. Let's see if there's more. Okay, I think I see one more. Here we go. Oh, two more. So I have four total. Let's see if we can find more. Nope, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for this. There's no more. Oh, I see little tubers, but this one is probably a different plant, and it's still growing tubers underneath. I can still plant this because there's a leaf coming out of there, so we can have one more plant. But it looks like I can reuse this grow bag to grow more potatoes. So yeah, that's it. And how to know if your potato is growing under your bag or pot.